Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's me, Nezi. I wanted to let you guys know I got the hard part out the way, guys. I'm excited about my journey. For those who don't know, well, it's not really a journey because I don't want to say journey no more. I don't want to be on no more journeys. But I am on a being a more softer, more polished woman. And the first thing I wanted to do was get my hair done, which is I did it myself, and I finally did it, guys. I shampooed my hair and I retwisted it, and it didn't take me that long. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I am in my bathroom. So this is what my hair looks like. I really like how it looks. It's getting longer and longer and longer and longer. For those who don't know, I've been locked for 4 years. It'll be 5 years for me this year, July 4th, 2026. And I'm just really happy with the progress. It took me about an hour and 50 minutes or hour and 45 minutes to retwist my hair. It still started damp. No, it's wet, but it's not wet, and it's doing really well. So I'm so glad I got this done with. Now I can move on with my polish journey. I don't know why I feel like this is the hard part, but I have some other hard parts to face later on. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited about getting this over with. So for those who want to know, I have 78 locks. I have 77 locks and one baby. And I got a new baby now, guys. I'm going to show you my new baby. I got a new baby. So here is the baby that's about a year old. She's about 14 months old. Now here goes another little baby. Actually, I got two babies. And here goes another little baby. So for those who don't know, I had traction alopecia from tight braids and I was bald for years. And now my hair is starting to grow. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited. I got on my ugly shirt today. So this is how it looks in my front door. The sun is going down. But this is how it looks in blue light. I was in the bathroom with warm yellow light, but this is what it looks like if you saw me in real life. So guys, I was having some difficulties with my computer today. Windows 11 is a trip. It is a trip. They take my files and they move them and they do all this weird stuff. And I can't find my stuff. I did record a video the other day. It didn't look good at all. It looked horrible. So I wanted to review it to see if I wanted to post it and couldn't find my file. So I'm glad I didn't because it was ugly anyway. So I have to remember to come on camera pretty and polished. I'm so used to coming online with a naked face, just doing my hair and little rusty elbows from doing my, in the shower, shampooing my hair. And I always got my arms up and showing armpits. And I have to remember I'm turning my channel to something completely different, which is beautification and polishedness. All right. So, but anyway, I just wanted to stop in. I have to go to Best Buy again today and buy some new SD card readers because my other one crashed. That was another reason why I couldn't post that video because the footage had crashed on my SD card. You're probably saying, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, good, you ain't got to because you ain't the one who got to edit and post it. So I was having some problems trying to figure out how to work my computer for about 3 or 4 hours a day, and it just threw me all the way off. But I said, I'm going to go and do my hair. So I shampooed my hair around 2 o'clock today, and I got finished at 4:40ish, 4:45. So it took me about 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I saved. How much money do you think they would have charged me for my hair? What, about $150? I guess it depends on where you go. But I saved myself a lot of money by doing my own hair. I don't worry about parts and stuff too much. Just as long as they look clean. They ain't got to be straight, just as long as they're clean parts. Alright guys, so my boy back there, he's chilling. Hey Nico. He's just in the cut. I don't know if you can see him. He's right. Oh, here we go. He coming up. Come on, boy. Hi, boy. There goes Nico on a Sunday. And he's been waiting on my attention for hours. For hours. Mama, I'm here. Pay attention to me. But I have to concentrate. And I'll be, sometimes when you get in your mode, like as far as cooking and cleaning and doing your hair, you be kind of irritable. You don't want nobody disturbing you. So I had to turn the phone off and turn my TV up and get into it. Get into it, girl. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna upload this video real quick, and I guess we'll start the real deal of my journey. What I keep saying, journey. The real deal of my my polished life. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. Yeah. So I'll see you soon. No. Yeah. Okay. See you sometime next week. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Bye. Mwah.